and this is the passwords of over here. Sorry, password is here. Remember login. Not now. We have already have password. So here is the administrator here. Go to the my profile here. Members here. Go to the settings. And we have some new panel is here. So add this page here. System here. Finding some like uploading here and trying to upload my PHP vulnerable file, which is the content has the uploads here, and here I can trying to upload my PHP file here, which is must like vulnerable file. So I trying to luma rev.php here. We have the file rev.php and trying to edit this. And 1 2 3 4 is okay. Save it. Close this and put my file here, which is rev.php. Upload files here, select files, go to the home page. Here is the rev.php here. Okay, opening this file here. Okay, so this file is like our shell, reverse shell, trying to reverse shell here, and this file is uploaded here. Okay, the file which is a rev.phar, and it's working. And go to the upload directory and running this file, which is running. And now we have the shell ls here. So we're trying first who am I. It's a www data here, and we're trying to do here some python 3 here -c import ui flash flash in bash here, trying to get this invalid text here. I have some mistakes here, which is python 3 -c import on slash bash here, and we have the like root shell is here, trying to cd slash home here ls here, and there is a two Nathan and Hostinger. Go to the Hostinger. Let's see here, there is a files which is not useful. So cd Nathan here. Okay, cd dot here, Nathan here. Permission denied of the go to the Nathan file. So now trying to getting this cat let cc slash opening the password file, which is must be we see the two users, which is Nathan and Hostinger. Okay, so Nathan has the like bin bash here, and Hostinger has the bin bash towards end. We have the passwords of Hostinger. You like must be remember the password of Hostinger. So Hostinger. Okay, so go to the here. hostinger password is like a hostinger is password. So trying to hostinger, and boom, we have a hostinger files access. So now we have a login into the hostinger user. We go to the cd/var/www/tml/backup files, hit enter. Okay, so now trying to go to the only cd HTML file. We're trying to ls here, and there is a index.html and submarine here. So ls-la here, and there is no file. And trying to go to the cd submarine ls here. Okay, so there is an admin and the admin files, and the admin here, ls here. Okay, so there is a PHP files is here, and so here is the backup file, which is in the cd.here, cd backup here, ls here, ls-la here. Here is the ht access here file. So we're trying to get dot ht access here, hit enter. You'll be happy now. Allow all from. Okay, so there is must be likely a passwords of any user. Copy this and paste into our notes here. Okay, so this must be a likely as Nathan password. So now I'm trying to sue Nathan here, hit enter. Password is here, hit enter. And we are Nathan user. So trying to cd/home, go to the home, cd Nathan here, hit enter, ls here, and get user.txt here. We are Venom, and the user flag is we got it. We get it the user flag. Now we're trying to sudo dash Nathan's password. We have the Nathan's password, and you can see here like root all the here. So we're trying to sudo dash I here, hit enter, and we are rooted. Wow. We're trying to who am I here, enter, and we are root cd/root directory, ls here, get root.txt, hit enter. And you can see here we got the root flag here, and this machine is complete. So thanks for watching this video. Likes and subscribe.